Ndewo na ụmụaka mara ihe nnọọ n'igwe mgbasa ozi YouTube ọ ka bụkwa mbụ nwaada Adaeze Onu onye na-ewetara unu ọtụtụ ome dị iche iche n'asụsụ Igbo. Hi brilliant kids, welcome back to my channel today. I remain your presenter on this channel, Adaeze Onu. Isiokwu anyị taa ga-abụ okwu Igbo dị iche iche ejichi wee mebe. Our topic today will be on different Igbo words formed with letter Chi. Alright, please remember to click on the like button and turn on your notification, your bell button. Also remember to click on the subscribe button if you have not done so. And for our Igbo lessons, chat us on WhatsApp on +2348064535633. We'll handle Igbo lessons for kids and adults. So please let your friends and family know about this. Let's start. Kaibido. Cheta. 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 Cheta in Igbo language. Recall in English language. Chia. 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 Chia in Igbo language. Laugh in English language. Chua. Chi-o-o. Chua. Chua in Igbo language. Chase in English language. Chere. Chi-e-ri-e. Chere in Igbo language. Wait in English language. Chezo. Chi-e-z-o-o. Chezo. Chezo in Igbo language. Forget in English language. Chi. Chi. E. Chi in Igbo language. Daylight in English language. Chopo. Ch-o-p-o. Chopo. Chopo in Igbo language. Chase away in English language. Cha. Chi-a-a. Cha. Cha in Igbo language. Cut in English language. Chinchi. Chi-i-n-chi-i. Chinchi. Chinchi in Igbo language. Bedbug in English language. Chikota. Chi-i-ki-o-ti-a. Chikota. Chikota in Igbo language. Gather in English language. Cho. Chi-o-o. Cho. Cho in Igbo language. Find in English language. Chopota. Chi-o-p-o-t-a. Chopota. Chopota in Igbo language. Find out in English language. Che. Chi-e-e. Che. Che in Igbo language. Think in English language. Chie. Chi-e-e. Chie. Chie in Igbo language. Turn in English language. Please remember that the lessons are coming from Atadioroma Igbo Language Academy. For further inquiries, WhatsApp +2348064535633. Classes are available for kids and adults in diaspora. Thank you for watching. Bye. Till next time.